Hello guys, let's test your brain today. Can you solve these addition questions? Only smart kids can get 10 out of 10. You have 5 seconds for each question. Can you beat the clock? Let's start the fun math challenge. Question number 1. What's 3 plus 2? The correct answer is A. 5. Question number 2. What's 4 plus 7? The correct answer is C. 11. Question number 3. What's 5 plus 7? The correct answer is B. 12. Question number 4. What's 9 plus 7? The correct answer is B. 16. Question number 5. What's 8 plus 7? The correct answer is C. 15. Question number 6. What's 8 minus 5? The correct answer is A. 3. Question number 7. What's 13 minus 8? Correct answer is C. 5. Question number 8. What's 17 minus 10? The correct answer is B. 7. Question number 9. What's 13 minus 9? Correct answer is C. 4. Question number 10. What's 12 minus 6? Correct answer is B. 6. Comment your score. And don't forget to subscribe for more interesting and quiz videos. Thanks all for watching. Goodbye.